Hello, I am Richard Snellbaker, and this is my white paper presentation on Maya. I decided to talk about Maya because it's often used in the community colleges and technical schools, universities, but it's been used more lately in high schools and even some middle schools. It's a program that definitely has a lot of use in higher education, but with technology becoming more incorporated in our schools and society, it has a spot in public education. Maya is a 3D design software that allows you to model objects and animate them. It is created by a company called Autodesk. They generally have free license downloads for students with school emails. Otherwise, the program costs a couple $100 for a license. Teachers can use Maya to teach 3D creation, animation, and design. Teachers can also have students create objects or parts of objects in Maya and laser print or 3D print them out. So I'm going to give you a demonstration of how you can use Maya for simple things. So I've already loaded Maya up, and so as you can see, we have our nice little plane. It's a normal plane, simple as that. You can go into hit spacebar and you can go into top, front, and side views. Um, what we're going to do is we're actually going to grab a polygon cube. We're going to change some of the scaling on it to, let's change the Y to 25, Z25. Actually, the Y needs to be 1, and let's put the X at 25. Okay, so now we have simply created a nice little uh, block plane here. And you can see we have our front view, we have our side view, and our top view of this. So we're going to go back to our perspective view, and we are going to grab a sphere. We're going to hit W for our move tool. We're going to get it up. We're going to go over here, and we're going to select our faces, and we're going to grab these. Now we're going to move those up just slightly, just enough to really change what we have here. As you can see with that, it's like we have it's like we really messed up some of the geometry there, but for the demonstration, that's going to be fine. It's just a quick show of like what you can do. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to bring it over here, and we are going to hit S, and that is going to set a keyframe. We're going to go to about 10. We're going to drop it on down. That, and since we have auto keyframe on, it's going to automatically create a keyframe. So then we're going to go to say 50, and we'll have it come all the way over here, and we'll bring it over here and bring it up. And we'll just move things around here. We'll hit spacebar. As you can see, it's like we have that top view right here, and it's our perspective view, so we can always just like move around any way we need. And then we have our front view here, and it's like you can actually move things in like those things as well. And by doing that, it's like you can change like things just slightly to make things like level up like on with your grid or however you want to do it. So now we have 120 keyframes, so let's hit play. And since we have the keyframes at 24 frames per second, it's it's running really fast, but we're gonna slow it down. Oh, wait, that ups it. 48. So this is double. We'll put 120 frames per second. As you can see, it's changing its directions and all. And then we're going to move it to 150 frames a second. So you can really get a good look at how you can change like the flow of your animation. And by clicking in each one, you can see it moving in that perspective. And then you can always export this. Generally, the best thing to export it into, like if you're going to export it into a movie file, is to make it into a QuickTime file. It QuickTime works really well with Maya, and it's actually Maya's optimized to work with QuickTime. But you can put it in other things as well. So that is going to be our demonstration for today, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Have a good day.